I'd like to thank very sincerely Annette Tierney and her team at Theatre at Work Company for their very generous contribution to our work with homeless people. They have also bought 10 of these beautiful calendars, which also contributes to our work. Annette and her team do terrific work in trying to prevent accidents in the workplace, and we really appreciate what they do. This calendar, produced by Eamon Coyle, has already raised €7,500 for charity, and I really appreciate Eamon's work in producing this beautiful calendar and in trying to distribute it. It makes a wonderful present for people maybe who cannot return to Ireland for this Christmas, and is a very, very valuable and beautiful present that one can make.